Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayan, today is Sunday and it's 8:25 in the morning, and I just get up. I have headache, and then I look up, I wash, and then we will hang soon. So and we will hang na. So guys, naana ta sa gawas ato nang gipatindong ang atong hanging machine na hanging aparat. So manghayhay na ta. Ay, wala man dito. Isa ka magkuha sa taog. Ipit. Take off your clothes. Ay humanaman taog hanging sa ato ang unlan, no. We're gonna go to the garden and check the plants. Naalagi mga bike ano. Truck bike guys. Bike guba. It's damaged bike. So. Yan na ta. Look. Da kalabasa. Tambok kayo ang mga kuon. Namunga na siya. O namulak. Tapos naana sa siya bunga. Lain man gunilang kalabasa kay kuan siya. Kanang orange ang color. The chicken there. Oh, chicken. Nangatay lang balatong. Ito, dagko kay bunga, oh. Sushini. Ay, mais. Makakaunan niya akong mais. Oh, naanap ko lang atong ko ano. Gamay pa. Pero okay na siya gulayon. Bata pa lang kayo. Okay. Pichay. Oh, tambok kayang sibuyas. Dagko kayo nga dahon, no? Oh, see? Oh. So today is really a best weather this week. No windy. Yesterday it was windy. I was in Merim Market. Tag-as na kaayo. White cool. Sa mamalik na ta mga langga. Daghan kay bunga ang kuan. Mura man ni siya og siguro kani kuan ni. What is that? Broccoli, no? The green one. This is broccoli or cauliflower. So mamalik na tag sulod adto mga langga. Igutom ko, maglungag ko. Mamalik na ta adto. I'm hungry. Manakay na ta sa bike. Akong munting gate. Pobre mo ta kaayo mga langga oy. Hungry. Higyan ako rice. Cook rice.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so man akong kaon. Unya mo adto ko sa hubo nga hubo. So, hubo na ta guys kay magtan-aw ko og para sa garden. Duol ra man gud na sa balay. And then look at my outfit. With a slipper. Hoy, I thought there is no wind, or it's not windy today. But I'm wrong. Take off your clothes. La 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 la. Better that I'm wearing a jacket because it's a little windy. I saw egg. An egg. Take off your clothes. Well, all right. So guys, almost in Hobo guys. I am here in Hobo guys, near Modimaker. Take off your clothes. Ayan, sulod na ta sa Hobo. Naghubo-hubo. So guys, I'm here. I'm just looking for a price for the stones, kahoy, and some other things, because here needs to change something. And now we will go to the garden and harvest. So guys, magdala taog pan sudlanan sa ato ang harvest. Mag-harvest ta sa ato ang vehicle. Here. So guys, here we are. And then we're gonna harvest this all and that. And the sibuyas there. So we're gonna do. Oh, very big naman good siya. Oops. Hello. Hello. We cannot do that. We cannot do this. Humot na ba kayo? So we're gonna do harvest this. Here's na guys. Very big. Very big. Hola. And this is the biggest. This is the biggest one. Oh. So we harvest this also guys. So it's tak. Easy. So, you see that? So here is now for our harvest, fresh from the farm, and you know I think I will plant another vegetables as a replacement for that, but I don't know what. I need to go to the plantain shop for some vegetables again. My stress reliever is the garden. So look, I miss the Philippines. When I was young, we used to have a lot of vegetables. Look. So guys, we're gonna go back to the house and bring these vegetables.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back. I finished my Bigo Live and we're gonna go to, I'm hungry, and we're gonna go to the garden pick up pichay for our ramen. Hey, come on, let's go. The time check is almost 9. Almost 9. So we're gonna go there and pick up some pichay. You know, this is advantage for having a garden. Or bunting gate. So, but it's 9, almost 9. I think 8:40. But still light, and it's raining. Rain shower. So look at that. Oh, it's a little bit wet because it was raining a little bit. So we're gonna pick up. Oh yeah, it's a little bit colder for me. So I hope will rain really, because the new flowers that from us, that one yellow. So oh la la. So we're gonna pick this one, bigger. Oh, so because we need for our, see, that's the flower that I buy from us, and one in there too. 6 pieces for €5. So we have pichay now. So we have the pichay now, guys, fresh from the farm. So we're gonna go back to the house with our pichay. Now this is good if you have a garden. You just pick up one and then you have sudan. I make ramen. Ding 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 ding. So guys, here is my ramen. Let's eat. Thank you everyone for watching my videos, and see you in my next vlog, guys.